Natural hair tip: don't always wear your real hair. This is a half wig from HerGivenHair in the natural color, 16 inches, and kinky coily texture. And this matches my hair so good. I'm able just to plop it on, have access to my scalp with these mini twists, wash my hair weekly, deep condition, take care of my coils, because that's important. However, I get the best of both worlds by having my hair out. I'm just taking some curl revitalizer from Uncle Fucky's Daughters just to lock in some more moisture. Put on my wig cap. I also like to put on a wig gripper just to make sure the combs aren't tugging at my hair. And you can wear this wig many different ways because, can you see? There you go. It has a drawstring. So I have it pulled all the way back, and then when I put this wig on, I'm going to tighten the drawstring. The drawstring is tightened. Let's clip it in the back. There's combs on each side. So I'm gonna clip that in. Go back over to this side. Right? Already this looks like my hair. Now I'm just going to undo my leave out. Look at that blend. So if anybody asks, this is my hair.